Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 19th August 2024. A plan to divide the Murugappa Group equally among three family groups that's been over 2 years in the making has got stuck. The Murugappa Chettiar family had been negotiating an amicable split of the diversified business empire with over $9 billion in revenue in financial year 23 after 5 generations of working together over more than a century. The much celebrated turnaround of CG Power within 4 years of its takeover by group company Tube Investments of India has become a key bone of contention among different family groups that make up the promoter group. In fiscal 2024, Apple Inc. achieved a business value exceeding rupees 2 lakh crore in India, driven by increased iPhone exports and domestic sales of products like MacBooks, iPads and watches. Apple's growth is notable for its rapid expansion in production and exports, likely the fastest by any company in India in the past 50 years. Key factors include leveraging the production-linked incentive scheme, strategically choosing manufacturing locations in South India, and enhancing sales through revamped distribution strategies and premiumization of products. FMCG firms reported rural demand resurgence and strong e-commerce growth, especially through quick commerce in the June quarter. Companies like HUL, ITC and Dabur, despite high food inflation, are optimistic about future growth due to favorable monsoons and government policies boosting the rural economy. Traditional urban channels showed some slowdown. The Central Board of Direct Taxes has issued a directive to the Income Tax Department emphasizing the need for non-intrusive monitoring of rampant cash transactions in sectors such as hotels, luxury brand sales, hospitals, and IVF clinics. This move comes as part of the CBDT's Central Action Plan 2024-25, which aims to curb tax evasion and improve compliance in high cash industries. The Finance Ministry is set to review the goods and services tax rates applied to digital news subscriptions. This decision follows a recommendation from the Information and Broadcasting Ministry to lower the GST rate on digital news subscriptions from the current 18% to 5%. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.